Kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC ni ikoretwo ikiorotwo kumana na kwaga gukinyaniria maundu matiganite megie arutani. Umuthi makamishna a TSC magikinya mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igii githomo niguo gucokia ciuria itiganite, no murugamiriri munene wa TSC Nancy Macharia ndanekinya gukirikana ni murwaru.
How are you treating the interns this time round?
Kamiti ino igitongorio ni muikariri giti wayo Julius Meli ni yendire kumenya gitumi gia TSC kwaga kwandika wira arutani ngiri ithathatu aria mareruta guthomithia, ona thengia wa thirikari gukorwo irekereirie kigina giki mieri itandatu mihituku, kuria muikariri giti wa TSC ndagitari Jamlik Muturi ekorire na ihinda iritu gutariria ndeto ino. Na thutha wa kamiti ino ya githomo kwaga kuiganira na anja iria mekuheagwo, muikariri giti wa kamiti ino athana muikariri giti wa TSC kuria mwihitwa niguo giikaro kiu kihote guthie na mbere.
Dr. Jamlik Muturi John do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters.
No na thutha wa kuria mwihitwa ndanacokia kiuria kiu na ahoya kuheo ihinda makiria.
Committee is equal to the powers of the High Court. So ensure that the information you are giving us is true and nothing but the truth, especially on intern recruitment. Kenyans have lost their jobs, they have not been recruited, they have lost earnings, students have not been taught just because of the negligence of a commission.
Na kuona gukoretwo na unyihu wa arutani ngiri igana rimwe ria 13, President Ruto nieraneirie ati arutani ngiri 30 ni makandikwo wira mwaka ukite, na TSC riu iri mihango-ini ya kwandika arutani aya ngiri 3 mari arutani a interns, ngiri 35,550 mari a thukuru cia muthingi niguo guthomithia githomo kia junior secondary, nao 450 mari a thukuru cia secondary guthomithia 844.
What has happened over the years is to ensure that as we recruit teachers, we give the interns, as we recruit teachers on PNP, we give interns the opportunity to be absorbed.
Kamiti ino ni hinyiriirie TSC gutigirira ona arutani aria mari na miaka kuma 42 guthie na iguru na ni mathomeire guthomithia na matire mandikwo wira ona umakorwo muharine wa mbere kuheo mweke. Arutani ngiri 14,733 neo maikitie ihoya ria guthamio thukuru iria matwaritwo riria arutani mathamagio. Kamiti ino ikiendekithia gugikinyeria tariki 31 mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite arutani aya makorwo magitwarwo mathukuru-ini maria marenda guthamirio.
On the issue of delocalization, I want to ask that let us expedite it by 31st of January. All cases of delocalization should actually come to a conclusion.
That as a commission, we will address all the issues raised by the teachers in terms of delocalization and ensure that we take care of their requests as well as we take care of the constitutional mandate of the commission.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.